In this video, I'll show you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your spending is recorded correctly and your reports stay reliable. First, make sure you have the basics ready: who you paid, how you paid, the date, and the amount from the receipt. From the left menu, open Expenses to see your spending area, then choose the Expenses tab so you're looking at individual transactions. To add a new one, click New or New Transaction and select Expense to open the expense form. Enter the payee to keep vendor history clean, then choose the payment account: bank, credit card, or petty cash, so it posts to the right register for reconciliation. Set the date to when the money actually left the account, pick the payment method for consistency, then categorize the purchase to the correct expense account like supplies, travel, or utilities. If it needs splitting, add extra lines with clear descriptions, confirm tax settings if applicable, and use memo, class, or location fields if your reporting relies on them. Review everything once, then click Save, and you're done. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that make bookkeeping simple and accurate.